My name is Nina Dwarong. I'm the owner and lead designer at iStage and Organize. At iStage and Organize, we help clients to improve their home appeal through every stage of their home ownership. Our move management services include decluttering, packing, and staging. Our Love Your Home services include organizing, redecorating, and design. How do we help? Without a doubt, we make your home function better and we make your home look its best to help you sell faster and possibly for more money. But truthfully, we help you to get to where you want to be faster. Whether it's to your amazing dream home or to be close to your kids and grandkids or to that waterfront community that you've worked your entire life towards. Sometimes it's just about helping you to remove the stress and burden of having to do it all alone. What makes our team special is that we truly listen to what our clients need and we treat them, their home, and belongings with a great deal of care and respect. At iStage and Organize, we understand that change and letting go can be difficult, but we're really good at helping you to reach your goal no matter how big or small.